Hi guys, so now let's prepare a cake out of hide and seek cookies. So the ingredients are hide and seek cookies, sugar powder, baking soda, baking powder, maida, oil and milk. So now let's put these. So now let's grind these biscuits. So we got the mixture ready. Now let's add sugar powder. And maida. Baking soda. You need to add baking soda very less. Baking powder 1 teaspoon. Now let's mix it. Now let's add milk. So we have to mix it until we get this consistency. Now let's add oil. Now let's prepare the cake mold. So this is the mold I chose. You need to add some oil to it. And we have to sprinkle some maida over it so that it won't stick to the utensil. So now let's add batter to the cake mold. Now let's prepare the stove. First you need to take a big utensil, put a stand in it. Then put the cake mold in it and put the cap on. Wait for 30 to 40 minutes until your cake is cooked. Now let's check whether it's cooked or not. Okay, it's cooked. Now our cake is ready.
Please like, share and subscribe to KKR TV.